Okay dear, today we start, already we discussed in previous classes quadratic equations. Now how to solve the quadratic equations. Here is the different methods. What is the first is method of solving of quadratic equation. We solve here, the first is solution of quadratic equation by the factorization. Which method? By the factorization method. First we are here to find the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. We use some certain steps. We use here the some certain step. Now here the first step. Write the given quadratic equations in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and find the value of a, b, c. This one is the first. Clear? First we write down the equation in the form of standard form ax square plus bx plus c, and then compare them, that equation, and find the value of a, b, c. Now second step here, multiplying a and c and split a, c into prime factors. Then find two numbers p and q such that p minus q is equal to b. If sign of c constant terms is minus, then here is the minus. If here is constant is positive, then here is positive. Clear? Now use here the third step. Write the constant b of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 as p minus q, and then factorize it. Equate each factors to 0 and find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now this one is discussed through a question. Here example, let here example. Here by example we discuss this one. This is clear everything. Solve the following quadratic equation by the factorization method. Here is the two equations is given. X square minus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0 and 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Now here is the solution. Here we discuss here the solution. First one, the quadratic equation. Given the quadratic equation here, quadratic equation, quadratic equation is, here is given x square minus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0. Clear? Now on comparing with standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This equation is a compare. First one, what we get here, ax square is equal to x square, so what we find, a is equal to 1. Now compare bx is equal to minus 14x, what we get, b is equal to minus 14, and c here is a constant term, and c is a find here constant terms 24. Clear? 24. Now look that AC means here is 1 and C is 24. Multiplication of AC. So AC, A into C, what we get here, A is 1 and C is 24. what we find? 24. Clear? Here, look here. Here C has positive sign. Positive sign. Clear? So we have to find so we have to find those factors of 24. Clear? Whose sum is 14. Clear? Now this one is whose sum is 14. Clear? Such factors are 12 and 2. Clear? 12 and 2. Now this one is right now x square minus 12 plus 2 x plus 24 is equal to 0. Now this one is factorized. Open the brackets here. X square minus 12x minus 2x plus 24 is equal to 0. Look here that here is a common. What is common here in both? X. So what we get? X minus 12. And here is common minus 2. X minus 12 is equal to 0. Clear? Now look at this one. Here is both in 2. Here is common x minus 12. So x minus 12. X minus 12. What is remaining portion? Remaining portion here x minus 2. Now write here x minus 2. Clear? X minus 2 is equal to 0. This one is a right in x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. X minus 12 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 12. Clear? Hence roots of the equation. Roots of the equation x square minus 14x plus 24 are 2 and 12. It's your sweet answer. Clear? Now second one, given quadratic equation 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 under root 3 is equal to 0. Now on comparing with a standard form of quadratic equation that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When compare this, ax square is equal to 4 under root 3 x square. So a is equal to here 4 under root 3 and b x is equal to 5x. So b is equal to here 5, where b is equal to 5 and c here constant term c is equal to minus 2 under root 3. This one is clear. Minus 2 under root 3. Now AC. Now AC. A means 4 under root 3 and C's values minus 2 under root 3. This one 4 2s are 8 plus minus minus under root 3 into under root 3 under root 9. So this one is right. 3 8 into 3 square root of 9. 3 means minus 24. Clear? This one is clear. Here C have negative sign. So we have to find their factor. Their factors of 24 whose difference is 5. Such factors are 8 and 3. Such factors are 8 and 3. Now here this one is right here. 4 under root 3 x square plus 8 minus 3 x minus 2 under root 3 is equal to 0. Now open the brackets. 4 under root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 under root 3 is equal to 0. This one is clear. Now look, here is a common in both. 4x is common. Remaining portion under root 3 x plus 2. Clear? Under root 3x plus 2. This one is clear. Now look here. Here is a common under root minus 3x minus 2 under root 3. So this one 3. This one is right. Under root 3 into under root 3. Under root 3 under root 3. We get as 3. So see, this one is right. Under root 3 into under root 3. So here is common. Minus under root 3. So what we get here? Under root 3. 1 is remaining. Under root 3x minus. Here is get here minus. So here is plus 2 is equal to 0. In both common is under root 3 x plus 2 and remaining portion 4x minus under root 3 is equal to 0. Now this one is written under root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So under root 3x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 by under root 3. Clear? Now similar 4x minus under root 3 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to under root 3. So x is equal to under root 3 by 4. Clear? Hence roots of the equation. Roots of the equation 4 under root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 under root 3 are under root 3 by 4 and minus 2 by under root 3. It's your answer. Clear? Okay, we discuss here another example. Using factorization, solve the following quadratic equation. Here is equation x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x minus 3 by x minus 4 is equal to 3 whole 1 by 3. Clear? Now get the solution here. X minus 1 by x minus 2, this one is the equation. Now first we write in the standard form. So solve these. First we simplified that. Now here look, what is LCM of these two? LCM of these two, x minus 2 and x minus 4. Here is LCM. Take. Now here divide this x minus 2. This portion is cancelled. We get here x minus 4. So we write this x minus 1 into x minus 4. Clear? Now here plus sign, root plus here. Again divide this x minus 4. This portion cancel. We get x minus 2. So x minus 3 into x minus 2. Clear? This one simplify. 3 are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 3 3s are 9 and this one is plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 by 3. This portion is clear. Now this one is the multiplied. Everyone look here. How to multiply? X into x, x square plus minus 4x. Clear? Now minus 1 plus x, minus into minus plus 4. This one is the first, and now second one here, x into x, x square plus minus 2x plus minus 3x minus plus 3 2 6 upon x minus 2 upon x minus 2 and x minus 4. Clear? This one is right, 10 by 3. Clear? Now this one is right again, x square minus 4x minus x minus 5x plus 4, and this one is right here, x square minus 3 minus 2 minus 5x plus 6 upon x minus 2 and x minus 4. This one is raised 10 by 3. Clear? Now this one is open now. Brackets are open. X square minus 5x plus 4 plus x square minus 5x plus 6. Clear? By x minus 2, x minus 4 is equal to 10 by 3. Now look here, x square plus x square, 2x square minus 5x minus 10x and 4 plus 6 plus 10. Clear? This one also multiplied. What we get here, x square minus 6x plus 8. Write this 10 by 3. Write this 10 by 3. Now this one is what get here is the common. We get here is the common. Clear? First we find here common here. So what we get here common? 2 x square minus 5x plus 5 by x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 10 by 3. Now this one is, here we find the cross multiplication. Clear? We find here cross multiplication. basic cross multiplication here. So what we get here, then is cross multiplication. We also divide this 2 5 ja 10. Clear? Here is cancel. Both are equal. Then cancel now. So this one is 3x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 5x square minus 6x plus 8. Clear? This one now dividing both sides by 2 and cross multiplied. Clear? This is cross multiplied. We get here and multiplied this one 3x square minus 15x plus 15 is equal to 5x square minus 30x plus 40. Now solve that one. Is a 5x square, this portion 5x square minus 30x plus 40, 5x square minus 30x plus 40. This portion goes that side and find a negative terms, a positive negative and negative positive will change. So minus 3x square plus 15x minus 15 is equal to 0. So we get here 5x square minus 3x square, we get here 2x square. Clear? Minus 15x 13x plus minus 15x and get here plus 40 minus 15, we get here 25 is equal to 0. This one is the standard form. Quadratic standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. Now this one is again compare. Are we directly use the by factorization method? AC 2 5 ja 50. Clear? AC 2 5 ja 50 and the point factor of 50 whose sum is 15. Now let here 10 into 5. Let here how to solve that. Look here, please compare with comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 15 and c is equal to 25. Now a into c 2 into 25, we get here 50. Clear? To get here 50. Here c have positive sign. Clear? So we have to find their factors of 50. Their factors of 50 whose sum is 15. Clear? Whose sum is 15. Such factors are 10 and 5. 10 and 5. Now this one is right. N 2x square minus 10 plus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. So this one is 2x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now here is a common 2x. What we get here? X minus 5, and here is common minus 5, x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here is the common in both 2's, x minus 5, and remaining portion 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So this one is right. X minus 5 is equal to 0. The x is equal to 5, and second 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2. There. Hence the root of the given quadratic equation are 5 and 5 by 2.